Hi friends, this is Cory from Cory Style. Today's video will be another unboxing. Okay, so this time we got from series 2 Bella Parker. In the back we can see the rest of the dolls of the series 2. On the side, oh, we do not have her focus. I don't know what her focus is. Because normally we get in here like focus on this and that. So if you know, please let me know in the comments below. I will be very grateful. So I'm going to take her out of the box and all the contents, and I will come back to show you everything she has inside the box. Okay, my friends, so these are all the contents. As always, we have the comb. This one, I feel it looks more like a hot pink rather than a pastel pink color, but I mean, it's okay, it's pretty, it's a little bit clear, it's pinkish. And we also have her stand with the same color and the logo of rainbow. You can assemble it very easily, and I'll put these two away. It also came with these two pieces of hanger. This one, I don't know if I need to assemble it. Yeah, I thought it was broken, but no, you just put this into place, and we have two hangers. As in the outfit, we have this extra pair of shoes. They have a ribbon on the back. These are made of plastic, some pink straps at the top. They look very pretty. I can use them in other dolls or in another outfits that I make for the doll, so I really like these shoes. And the second outfit is super pretty. It comes with these stockings. It has this extra string here, but I will just cut it. So in here you can see barely the Rainbow High logo. These are very cute. It comes with dress. This is a one piece. The one that is underneath is a one piece. I will keep it like this because I want to display it for a while. But you can see it is a one piece, and then on top you have the jacket. The jacket has a zipper, a plastic zipper. It has some decorations like in the belt, in the arm. You can see it's very well done. The jacket, I think we can open it through here, and then the dress has Velcro on the back. This is so cute. And let me show you now the doll. She comes with some big crystal earrings. Her makeup is very cute and soft. You can see some glitter in the eyeshadow. The lips are soft pink. The hair, you have this headband. It's kept in place with this tag, plastic tag. I will keep it like this for a bit, but you can remove this headband in the future if you want. The hair is tied on a ponytail in the back. This part do not have any product, but the two sides have a lot of product, so you will need to probably wash her head a little bit. I haven't washed any of my dolls, but I think with just some water and a little bit of soap or shampoo you can remove this, okay? Because yeah, it has a lot on the sides and it looks weird. Okay, and moving on, her head has some extra articulation. She comes with this cute jacket. We can open this jacket. It has some plastic tag keeping it together. I will leave it like this for displaying purposes, but inside she comes with a tiny t-shirt that says something dream and it's a pink shirt, like a pink top. Then we have the jacket. See, you close it from the front. The skirt has some Velcro on the back. It's the same design as the jacket. Very pretty. You can see all the details in here. Actually, I don't know how you call these thingies in here, but these five in here, these five in here are actually buttons. There you can see them. That's very nice. I thought everything was the same, but no, these are different. She has these cute socks. These are kind of transparent. And she comes with these shoes. Seeing the shoes up close, you can see a lot of details in there. I think the painting is a little bit off on my shoes, as you can see, especially on this one. I think the machine was going crazy when she painted this, because it's very off at the bottom. It's almost like melted. I do not like that a lot, but I have the base, so maybe in the future I can use this base to make new shoes, or maybe I can just remove this and put like a ribbon, or I can try to paint it. Okay, I really love this doll. It amazes me. The hair is very pretty. I really wish I could show you the proper color. It's a little bit more pink than you can see it on the screen, because on the screen on my camera it looks a little bit soft. Okay, my friends, so this was today's unboxing. So that was it for today's video. I hope you enjoy it. If you did, please don't forget to click the like button, and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel, because that will motivate me a lot to make more videos for my YouTube channel. I hope you're having a lovely day, my friends, and I will see you soon with a new video. Bye bye!